Welcome to Castelfranco Veneto, a picturesque medieval town nestled in Italy's Veneto region. Located in the province of Treviso, it sits about 40 kilometers northwest of Venice and around 30 kilometers west of Treviso City. This historic town is celebrated for its ancient walls and as the birthplace of Renaissance painter Giorgione. Our journey focuses on the Castelfranco Castello, a historic fortress originally built in the 12th century to protect the town from invasions. Surrounded by well-preserved red brick walls and a deep moat, it stands as a symbol of the town's medieval past. The castle features 4 imposing towers at each corner, adding to its impressive and fortified structure, and offers sweeping views of the surrounding countryside from its elevated vantage points. Located at the heart of Castelfranco Veneto, the Castello remains a focal point of local pride and heritage, embodying the town's rich medieval history. Inside its walls, you'll find the Cathedral of Castelfranco, which displays Giorgione's famous painting, Madonna with Child. This celebrated work, known for its serene composition and luminous colors, is a prized piece of Renaissance art that reflects Giorgione's mastery and deep connection to his hometown. Giorgione, born in Castelfranco Veneto around 1477, was a leading figure of the Venetian Renaissance, renowned for his innovative use of color and atmospheric effects, which would later influence generations of artists. The narrow streets within Castelfranco Castello wind their way through the fortress, offering a glimpse into the town's medieval charm. Lined with quaint houses and historic buildings, these passageways invite visitors to explore and discover the rich history that permeates the atmosphere. Thank you for watching.